today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I'm gonna say it straight into the camera. It's a crazy move. It's a crazy statement, a bold move. But guys, I have to say it. I feel the obligation. And even though it's something which I don't really want to realize so much myself, I want to say it right now, and then I will elaborate on that with compelling evidence and proof. I think with a high degree of certainty, I am actually completely convinced of it. This bull market is going to end much sooner than everyone expects, much sooner than all of the mainstream experts, Twitter experts, YouTube experts, which I count myself to it also, like I'm a crypto YouTube and Twitter influencer, or however you want to call it. Well, I think this bull market is going to end much, much sooner. Join this discussion in the comment section down below. Like this video, share it with your friends. I have a very important statement, a very important message to share with you today. I want to show you this compelling evidence and proof right now. I want to go straight into it. And yes, I will talk about my multi-million-dollar trade. Yes, I will talk about my price targets and much more. But the single most important chart for me fundamentally is one which I already showed 8 months ago. When I was in Singapore outside, I was filming this video and I showed you one chart. It's an on-chain chart. And the on-chain, some of you will say, I'm not interested in that. I don't want to hear about anything about it. Wait, hear me out. On-chain metrics is what made me buy Bitcoin early. On-chain metrics is what made me open, one of the big reasons which made me open this long position around 17,000 US dollars. On-chain metrics is the single most indicator to predict where the Bitcoin price is going right now in the immediate short term, in the long run. On-chain metrics are a view behind the curtain. It's basically telling you when are whales buying, when are whales selling, when is the smart money buying, smart money selling, when is the smart money profitable or not profitable. Very important. It's showing you so many things when Bitcoin is moving hands, when are big people buying, when are small people selling. All of these things, you can interpret them and actually get a very good indication as to where the Bitcoin price is going right now in the immediate short term or in the mid run. And this is one chart which I want to show you. 8 months ago, I already showed it, and it actually compared the long-term holders of Bitcoin, people and wallet addresses, entities who are holding Bitcoin for more than 12 months. That could be 12 months, that could be 24, 36, 48 months, just like more like long-term approach. That is also the kind of holders which I want to be considering the smart money. And then, of course, not always, but most of the times there is the short-term holders, which we could refer to as dump money, people who are buying, selling on a daily basis. Really not the smartest thing to do long term. Of course, you can profit from it, but usually it's not the best. And of course, in Bitcoin, the short-term holders, you can measure that, are way less profitable than the long-term holders. That alone is a very nice learning for us. Just hold Bitcoin, right? But comparing these two to each other, you can see a very clear pattern throughout the last 14 years basically, when you can see that the long-term holders are buying Bitcoin. That is when you can basically, at least in the past, blindly go in and buy Bitcoin. Usually the smart money is correct. Then when the dump money is selling Bitcoin, that is when you want to be usually buy Bitcoin. You want to do the opposite of what the smart money is doing. You want to be doing what the smart money, what the dump money is doing, and you want to be doing what the smart money is doing. So a very interesting, and I will go into the chart just in a second, a very interesting mechanism is usually when the smart money supply held by smart money is going up, the supply held by dump money is going down simultaneously. Means when the smart money is buying, dump money is selling. When the smart money is selling, dump money is buying. Interesting, right? So 8 months ago, I said, guys, this is crazy. We have smart money buying, dump money selling. This is the time right now. We need to buy Bitcoin. What happened? Bitcoin had an explosive move towards the upside, and I made this beautiful trade even more profitable. Right now sitting around at $8-9 million in a profit, which I'm having here open on Bybit. Well, now 8 months later, what has happened? let's go straight into the chart here, ladies and gentlemen, because I can tell you, a lot has happened. The Bitcoin price being actually here in the gray line, the short-term holder, you can see it, the supply younger than 1 year in the turquoise, like bluish line, and the orange line is representing the supply of long-term holders holding for more than a year. And 8 months ago, everything was fine. We had the short-term holder supply going down. You can see it on the right-hand side, and the long-term holder supply going up. But right now, just a few weeks ago, this was flipping. We see the long-term holder supply going down and the short-term holder supply going up. What does that mean? Does it mean we have to sell right now? There is no more upside? No. We can actually be even smarter and take this much more for our advantage. In the past, in every single of the past cycles, smart money selling, dumb money buying, it was a warning signal. It is a warning signal, but it's not telling you sell right now. It is telling you sell soon. The last stage is happening. Smart money starts to be selling to cost average out of the market before the bull market high is actually happening. And I want to show you this in a very, very nice example. Just look at this cycle here, the last one, the last top you can see, the last bull market top 2021. You can see we went down weeks, actually a few months before the bull market high. Same, the dump money started buying a few weeks, a few months before the bull market high. Same thing here, look at this. In 2017, actually the smart money started selling when Bitcoin was at $2,000. 7-8 months before the bull market high at 20,000. And simultaneously, this dump money did the same. The same thing also, just go back, check out the chart in 2013. So if the smart money sells, always start selling round about 8, 9, 10 months before the bull market high, and they started like 2-3 months, two months ago, then we have at least in accordance to that chart, approximately another 6 months to go. So at least the remainder of this year should still be bull market. And this is also something I'm expecting. I think we will see at least another 6 months of bull market. So don't think I'm a bear. I'm not even going out of my trade. I still think the bull market is in full on mode. But we want to keep a very close eye at this chart, and we want to take this warning signal into consideration and not think what most people are thinking, that this bull market is going to last until the end of 2025. This is most likely not going to be the case if you ask me. End of this year, first quarter of 2025 as to what I am predicting. And of course, if you are going over to Twitter, you can see yesterday I posted a very viral tweet about a cup and handle pattern where I'm posting my price target for this year. You can see that over on Twitter. I also said it in the last YouTube video. You can just go back and check the last video where I talked about my price target for this year. I'm certainly not bearish, but I'm a realist. And I want to tell you when there's something actually forming, which we have to talk about. As always, guys, if you want to be trading as well, I will leave a link down below. Bybit $50,000 bonus link. BitGet $30,000. I think overall like $80,000 in free bonuses, deposit bonuses in the pinned comment in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.